Hi, today we have very simple 3 activities of activity sheet number 2 of grade 6. අද අපිට තියෙන්නේ ඉතාමත් ලේසි ක්‍රියාකාරකම් තුනක් දෙවෙනි නිබන්ධනයේ එන. First of all, let's have a look at these activities. In the first activity, you have been given these letters. What you have to do is you have to write the sound of these letters. You might remember we have already discussed the sound of all the 26 letters in one of our previous videos, right? If you haven't watched it, you better watch it first and you can get an idea then, right? So ඔයාලට පුළුවන් යම් අදහසක් ගන්න ඒ වීඩියෝ එක බැලුවොත් අපි මීට කලින් ඩිස්කස් කරලා තියෙනවා අකුරු 26ම ශබ්ද ගැන, right? So let's discuss the answers first. The first letter B, it has the sound B. Second one R, it has the sound R. Next one V, V. Next letter P, it has the sound P, N, N, M, M. Next letter T, it has the sound T. Next letter Y, it has the sound Y. Next letter S, S. Last one H, it has the sound H. Now we will move on to the next activity, right? In this activity, what you have to do is you have to write the first letter of these words, right? මේ දීලා තියෙන පින්තූරවල නම් ඔබ දන්නවා නම්, if you know the name of these pictures and as well as the sound of the letters, this activity is really easy for you, right? මේ activity එක ඉතාමත් ලේසි පුංචි දුවලා පුතාලට, right? Let's discuss the answers, right? First one, umbrella. A. U letter has that sound. A. The first letter should be U. Second one, cat. K, cat. That is C. Alright. Elephant and elephant. A. E letter has the sound A. Next one, dog. A dog. D. D. Next one, apple and apple. A. A letter has that sound A. Sixth one, fish. A fish. F. That means F letter should be there, right? Next one, an igloo. E. E. I letter has the sound E. Eighth one, a sun. S. That is S. Next one, an orange. O letter has the sound O. Last one, a jug. J. J letter has the sound J. Alright, now I think you have done the activity correctly and have got full marks for the activity, right? Now we will move on to the next activity, that is the last activity, right? So in this activity, what you have to do is, it's a very simple thing. You have to write the English terms for these Sinhala words. මෙන්න මේ සිංහල වචන වලට ඔයාලට තියෙන්නේ පල්ලෙහෙන් දීලා තියෙන ඉංග්‍රීසි වචනය තෝරලා ලියන්න. These words are very important for our students. මෙන්න මේ වචන ටික ඉතාම වැදගත් වචන ටික. You have to keep them in your mind, right? ඒවා හැම වෙලාවෙම මතකේ තියාගන්න. So let's discuss the answers. First one, කවුද? Who? මොකක්ද? What? සකස් කරමින්, arranging, මෙහෙ, here, අනිත් අය, others, ඔවුන්, they, පිළිගන්නවා, welcome, උදෑසන, morning, විශිෂ්ට, great, හමු වෙනවා, meet. Alright, I think you have got 50 out of 50. That means full marks for the whole tute, right? So with that, we come to the end of today's video. Until we meet next time, bye.